Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. I'm actually kind of sick. The cold is going around this area, and my friends are sick as well. So my voice is a little bit crappy. Anyhow, we are doing STL Part 3 for January 2024 for D&D, Warhammer, and figures as well. There will be links down the bottom for the ones we are looking at, and if there's one that you want me to look at, you can leave down the comments as well. And subscribe, like, and share. Check our Discord and Patreon down below. Let's get started. Exclusive 3D prints. These are figures. These are more like allude figures. So Snow White, Pinup Tennis, and Mary Jane, I believe. So yeah, those are the three. And the Pinup World War II one as well. And this is the exclusive 3D prints. Next one is Lost Hobbyist. This is like rock and roll, and also they do a lot of old movies like Spaceballs and stuff like that. I think we are having last update was in October, so I don't think they're having anything starting right now for January. So, but we come back to that later. Moid, another good Warhammer proxies as well, and they do BattleTech as well. They got December out so far. We just gotta wait for January. We will come back to that as well when they have stuff for us to look at. Primal Beast miniatures. They have nothing out for this for January, so we gotta wait for that as well. So there'll be a lot of stuff that hasn't been really announced. We might look out towards the end of the month. Letting you guys know, we got Panga miniatures, and we have January's. Here we go, Deer, Bear, Jarashana X, and Frozen Raffengard. This is like Blood Bowl, I believe. Um, this is a Blood Bowl style miniature proxies. If you're interested, so we got the Dual Gar, and we have looks like a Russian type figures for Blood Bowl, Werebear and kind of Czars and a whole bunch of things as well. Next is STL Para. Let's set up anything for December yet, but you may be able to get that if you're interested. Big juicy mamas. The link will be down the bottom as well. The mecha sized menace of John Bear. He does nothing but Warlord Titans, and you have different types of Warlord Titans. I know he did some Gundam variation of it as well for December. Did you know? Okay. So this was December. I think this is what's going to be for January, I believe. This was December one. They look really cool. If you want different type of Warlord Titan, want to actual paint something really big, go for him as well. Didomo miniatures. We have another Warhammer proxies. Nothing since October. Next one is Papel 3D. Monthly gift for January. We got an Amazonian from Rome. And here's your Cthulhu shipwreck. Looks like a vampire. So this is your diorama piece that you can print. I'm probably gonna print it myself, and I probably paint it to put it up on my bookshelf. I do love. I am a Cthulhu fanatic. I have a lot of different types of Cthulhu for that as well. You know, if you're interested in painting diorama stuff. Sake 3D models. Anime figures. It's December. You don't have anything for January yet. We'll come back to that. And this is Crate Armory. Let's see what they have. They got the January link already up, but I don't see anything for January. See January link. So we got vampire form as a bat, a lich, and a werewolf. That's the only thing I got so far out of that. Northern Nation Roll Dura 3D Studio. We have, I think this is figure. We're going to do Sailor Mercury. He's already working on that right now. And I think Robin Hood is the other one they're working on. So yeah. Keru Studios. We are getting Zanpakuto. It'll be cool if he has a Bankai version of it. But that's just me. Sanji. I think he's working on Sanji. Sanji and Zoro. If you don't know what this pose is from Flash Stampede, original anime that I know of. Is that guy that carries a cross coffin and stuff. That's what it looks like, wrapped up in bandages. But yeah. FX 3D. We are getting Pamela Anderson's Baywatch. I think her boobs were a lot bigger on Baywatch because she has those silicone implants. But Erecta, like a female version of Robin Hood. So I will be getting that too as well. Robin Arts, another figure, and a whole bunch of other mini ones as well. These are actually very good, nice prints. Letting you guys know. This is your pin-up. You have your nude NSFW portion of it as well. Then we got the Gasantio Lancers, Dulce, Cara, and Picaro. Pichacro, whatever his name is. So that'll be it for Robin. Next one is Mayo Studio, another figure. And for this one, I think we're getting, I think we already got this one. I don't think it has anything for January yet, but we'll see. Let's see here. STL miniature, another good miniature. I highly recommend as well for January. I think we are getting the January preview. So we got the looks like a circus tent and everything, but might be not what they're called. Jousting joint and a royal court set. Okay, so we have a jousting and royal court set. Very good prints. Highly recommended. They have a lot of other stuff as well. So we got some little deers. Very detailed work on a lot of the things. I think this is the I think this is where the executioner. So you have the executioner set. That's actually pretty good to have too for the city. If you're doing like an evil campaign, this would be actually really good. And we got this one as well, the jousting set. You have your undeads and stuff. Next one, this will be the last one, Arcane Minis. I don't know if they released theirs out yet, but we'll see. The Terror of the Toy Maker, December 1st. So no, they did not release their January one up yet. The GM 3D, another anime figure. So this one is out. Farron. And I think this one is the Tenchimuyo Roboko Hogoki. It's coming out in January as well. Well, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.